Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. We're opening up one of my favorites, Goddess Provisions for March. So I believe this theme this month is the Intuitive Goddess box. So I haven't opened it. We're gonna crack it open here together and see what's inside. I love Goddess Provisions. Most of you guys know that. I will link them down below along with a 10% off code. The link should apply that automatically. But Goddess Provisions is $33 a month. It's all based on a theme, and you get high quality, witchy, spiritual themed products that are so high quality, it lasts so long. Did I repeat myself? Maybe, but these things are so good, and I say this every month. I can't say enough about them. I love this company. That is why I work with them. So this is kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link, so thank you to anyone who uses that. So they like plant a tree every box sold. They're very eco-friendly, vegan, cruelty-free, all of that. So I love this box, but really I love it mostly because the items are just so dang good. Even like the ring I'm wearing is Goddess Provisions. Everything in my place is Goddess Provisions. So yeah, I think that's enough. Let's get this open and see what's inside. So this is the first video I filmed in like 2 weeks, so I'm even more awkward than usual. I don't even know why. I was in Chicago and I was a little sick, and I'm just starting to get all the March boxes, so. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So I love that the little handout like always doubles as an art print. We have a tarot deck. So my vision is clear. This is so pretty. Intuitive Awakening box. Okay, I was close. I got the intuitive part right. It says each box contains a surprise assortment of items selected with divine intention and blessing that they'd be perfectly aligned for supporting your soul's journey. See, stumbling over words first. And then there's a link you can follow to check out all the items. So there is a variation here. You get 7 unique items yourself. So love that. Let's get started. So right away I see that there's a deck here. Do I have this still? This is the Zen Out Journey Tarot Guidebook. I feel like I might have shared this with someone, so it actually works out well that I just got this. So this is, of course, a tarot deck, and I think it's kind of cool. It comes just like simply like this, and I wonder if we have a tarot bag too. No, we do. I knew it. So we have a little separate bag here we can put it in, but I don't even mind that it doesn't come with all the packaging and all of that. This is a great beginner deck, I remember. Let's open it. I can't really remember all the details. I've got this like years ago. It had to be at least a few years ago, right? So this is, did I say who this is by? The Zen Out Journey Tarot book by Casey Uhl, founder of Zen Out. So you have a little guidebook here. It says, with this powerful deck and guide, you'll learn to use your intuition to interpret the card's messages and connect with your inner guidance system to help you determine your next move. Learn about the major and minor arcana and stories hidden within each card to find insight on a path forward. Get comfortable with common card spreads as you get deeper into your spiritual journey. So I'll give you a short description here, but I think it's great to give a tarot deck with the Intuitive Awakening box. I actually just finished a tarot pick a card reading for my second channel. It's really good. I feel like there's really important messages there. It's called Important Messages from Your Highest Self. That'll be out by the time this video is, but I always link my other channel, Kitty Rising, down below. If you are into tarot readings, please check it out. Thank you so much. So here is the backing. And then here are some of the cards. So it's pretty thin cardstock, but they're beautiful cards. And again, I think this would be great to begin with. And really any deck that's really calling to you. So I think it's more of like a pip deck, right? Yeah. So it shows like pip deck means it doesn't have like full scenes on the minor arcana. Like it'll have just the number of wands there. But for the court cards, you will see people. Aren't the colors so great in this? I'm excited to have this again. Yay. I haven't used it in so long. So, love tarot decks. I may have like, I'm looking over here because that's where my tarot desk is, and there's like 2 rows or 2 shelves above it with all my decks. I may have like 60 plus decks, but it doesn't mean I don't want more. I actually, oh my god, I totally forgot. I got my, oh man, I'm so excited to open it. I got my tarot box. We're gonna open that in another video. But oh yeah, so then we also have this bag here, so I can put my deck right in there. So this is a drawstring bag, super beautiful. This is by Seed of Creation. So I'm just gonna put my deck in here, and I'll put the little guidebook as well. I'm not sure if I'll keep that, but I think it's great they include that for beginners, you know. So you just put it in there, and now you've got this cute little bag. You can like put this in your purse, you know, carry it with you, or like me, put it in your like stack of decks. Let's keep going. We have some jewelry here, and this is a tarot jewelry with the sun on it. The Sun Tarot Necklace. I embody what I wish to receive. Beautiful. This is by Goddess Provisions. Can you see it there? It is made from 14 karat gold plated stainless steel. There is an adjustable strap. I love the sun. Oh, the sun card in the back, it says radiate your light. I love that. I love the sun card, yeah. I embody what I wish to receive. I love that with the Goddess Provisions products. They always have affirmations. I'm a big affirmation girly, so love that. Yay. Keep going. Ooh, is this like a wallet? I could use. I actually use a wallet I got from Goddess Provisions forever ago. I was looking to see if my purse nearby. It's a passport holder. I use that as my wallet. It's kind of, but it's a passport wallet, so it's a little bit bigger. So like a little wallet would be great for, you know, when I just have a small purse or something. And you don't have to use this as a wallet. This could just be any kind of little carrier, like a change purse. But isn't this cute? Is this one of those that like changes colors or something? You know what I mean? Like if I put it up to like, let me see, I'm in the light right now. Am I doing that right when you put it up to the light? Or maybe it's glow in the dark or something? Or that's just the print. I don't know. But we also have a little moon and stars on the zipper. And then, yeah, just a little bag. Definitely big enough to like fit your ID and a credit card and some cash. So nice. I love this. I had this before and I used it. I love notepads, but this is a tarot notepad made from 100% recycled paper. This is also by Goddess Provisions. So it has all the major arcanas on the top when you open it. Or like, when you open it. Am I not speaking very well today? Not only have I not filmed for a while, but I had a bad cold for like a week, but I'm better now. Oh my God, I love this, that this is made out of recycled paper. So I would say on the top, like it starts with the Fool, and I'll go through all the majors. And we have like the High Priestess. Let's just flip to a random one. The Hermit. So yeah, each page is like a different color with a different card on top. I love it. I love notepads and I love the tarot, so hell yeah, I'm loving this. And then is this a little tablecloth for our tarot? Oh my gosh, yes. So we have so much stuff. This would be great for someone who's just getting started. Okay, so we have our tarot deck with the tarot bag there, and then we have a little cloth, and this will fit into this bag as well because it folds up, so then you'll have something to lay your cards down upon. Oh my God, it's awesome. This is also by Seed of Creation, who made this bag. I'm just gonna fold this right back up and put that in there. This could be my new travel deck. I haven't been carrying one around because I never use it, and I don't really like to do readings when I'm buzzed, like when I go out and stuff. Not saying that's the only thing I do, but when I go out, it's usually a restaurant or bar or something, you know. But the other day, when I was in Chicago, people were asking me, and I was like, I don't have one, but if I had this, then I don't have to worry about the cards being really messed up or anything like that. But this is awesome. So I'm just gonna fold this up and put this in here. And then you can also put a crystal in there to like keep it all like good energy, because there's definitely room here. And I think we did, the last item we do have is a crystal, and that just fits super easily. And the last item we have here, it looks like this is probably amethyst. Perfect for your intuition, because it is purple. Yeah, is it amethyst? I think so. It looks a little different. Maybe it has a little bit of quartz in it too. But yeah, then you can put like selenite or clear quartz or anything, you know, whatever this is, you can put in there as well. Like, it's a little bag, but it fits a lot. You have your whole little travel tarot bag, or, you know, just tarot on the go. And then you can also put some crystals and whatever you want in here as well. So that was great. I feel like everything went really well together and we got so many items. So we got, and they're all tarot related, so of course I'm happy. I'm a tarot girly, but do you guys like tarot? I keep saying girly, but we have a tarot sun necklace, the tarot notepad, the little like change purse. We have a crystal here, then we have this bag, and then the tarot deck, and then the tarot cloth. Isn't that so amazing? You guys have to let me know what you got in yours, if you got any different items, because I know this is like uniquely curated now. So we don't all get the same items. So I love mine. I would love to hear what you guys got. Again, I will link God's Provisions down below. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you to God's Provisions for sending me your box. I love working with you. I love your products. Such a good box. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and again, check out God's Provisions link in the code below if you're interested. Highly recommend, and it's a great great gift idea for anyone who's into this stuff too. But I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.